Good morning, children. Reading time. Take out my English book and open page number 18. You have already done a g sound words and a d sound words. And today we will do a t sound words. P, a, t, pet, s, a, t, sit, a, t, met, j, a, t, jet, p, a, t, bet, v, a, t, wet, a, t, net, g, a, t, get. Let's read once again. P, a, t, pet, s, a, t, set, a, t, met, j, a, t, jet, b, a, t, bet, v, a, t, wet, a, t, net, g, a, t, get. Okay, children, now look here. This is a napkin and napkin is wet. V, a, t, wet. This girl has a dog and dog is a pet animal. P, a, t, pet. This man has a net. A, t, net. Wet, pet, net. Children, you will read all these words of at sound and you will see the pictures also. Wet, pet, net. Well done, children. I am very happy. Bye.